If you are interested in knowing the exact location where the 1998 to 2002 Honda Accord 2.3-liter inline-4 engine has its PCV valve, you are in luck. Today, I'll show you exactly where to look so that you can either service or replace it as the case may be. Let's get to business. The 1998 to 2002 Honda Accord with a 2.3-liter engine has its PCV valve located right atop the valve cover as you overlook the engine standing before an open hood. In this very conspicuous position, it's connected to a breather hose that supplies fresh air from the intake. The valve itself sits comfortably on a rubber grommet which threads securely into the valve cover directly. This very conspicuous and extremely easy to access location of the PCV valve, coupled with its equally extremely easy to change reality, makes it one of the very best PCV valve designs I've seen so far as a DIY mechanic. It's a classic, extremely rare case of a mechanic wanting to hug an engineer instead of declaring war. If you'd love to replace or service this valve, I've already made a detailed video that comprehensively treats the entire process. I'll link it up and also display it at the end of this video. Why pay a mechanic when you can simply do it yourself? This isn't goodbye. Catch ya on the next one.